Video log. Today is Sunday, January 30th, 2011. This is my first video for this year. Today's topic is which motorcycle is right for you. Whatever your reason is for wanting to get a motorcycle for the first time, it is important that you find out what type of entry-level bike is best for you. First of all, buying a brand new motorcycle may not be the best option. Then again, you don't want to get anything that is too old and used, since this may end up putting you into harm's way. Remember that when choosing your motorcycle, it is important that you find one that you feel comfortable with. Starting out with a sports bike would definitely be asking for trouble. Many people have learned the hard way that sports bikes sometimes tend to have more power than a motorcycle, which has a low-end torque. A lot of people have made the mistake of purchasing sports bikes when they first start riding, only to find out that they don't really know how to control them. You should make sure that you get the right engine size for your body weight. Remember that the heavier you are, the stronger the engine will have to be. The two biggest considerations for any bike are seat height and weight. Never buy a motorcycle that you can't sit on with both feet flat on the ground. Weight consideration is a must. Also, because when learning to ride, you do not want to get yourself in a position where when the bike begins to lean over and you can't keep it safely balanced. Engine size is important because you do not want a powerful motorcycle that is way beyond your skill set. No one can tell you exactly which motorcycle you should buy and which would be perfect for you. Keep in mind that you have to figure out which motorcycle is the right fit for you. When you go shopping for your motorcycle, make sure that you talk with the salesman in the store. They will usually know which bike is best for beginners. Be careful, however, because some salesmen will try to get you to purchase the more expensive sports bike. This is why it is important to do your research to find out what bike would fit right with your body size and weight. You may also want to try and find something that is low maintenance and easy to care for. Just remember to find a motorcycle that you are comfortable with. You should be able to stand it up without help by yourself, and you should have no problem riding it comfortably. Remember that when you are first starting out, it is not about how you look. It's about learning how to ride properly and safely. Understanding CCs. CC is shorthand for cubic centimeter. When you are doing research to buy a motorcycle, you will see the term CC plastered on the tank or frame of every bike out there, along with the number 250cc, 500cc, 750cc, and so forth. It won't take long to make the connection that a bike that has more cubic centimeters has a bigger engine, will produce more power, and will go faster.
Welcome to a demonstration of three-dimensional sound. In order to achieve the most convincing effect, we advise you to close your eyes. The sounds you're about to hear have been recorded using binaural technique. Binaural technique differs from mono, stereo, and surround sound recordings in that you can determine the exact distance and direction of a given sound.
For instance, if I walk around you, you'll be able to locate my voice while I'm walking. And if I drop my keys, pick them up.
Right next to you. By use of virtual sound sources, a variety of effects addition to the effects conveyed by the separate sound sources, all kinds